Madrid and Valencia, severe rainfall and flooding vertical bar. A devastating weather event. In recent times, the Madrid region encountered an unprecedented deluge, leading to extensive flooding and significant damage, while other parts of Spain were also on high alert due to extreme weather conditions. The city of Valencia faced considerable devastation. The intensity of the rainfall was astounding, with some areas experiencing up to 50 liters of rain per square meter within a single hour. This abrupt weather event resulted in streets and fields being submerged underwater. Regions particularly susceptible to such calamities, including Catalonia, Valencia, and Madrid, were placed on orange alert due to the severity of the situation. In addition to heavy rains, the area was battered by strong gusts of wind and hail, further adding to the chaos. The force of the wind was so fierce in certain places that trees were uprooted, blocking roads and causing additional damage. The aftermath of this calamity was daunting, as the M40 highway had to be closed in both directions due to severe flooding. The interruption of Metro Lines 7 and 9 in Madrid disrupted daily commutes, illustrating the far-reaching consequences of the floods. Cars were seen drifting through the streets, reminiscent of boats navigating through waterways. The rural landscape bore a heavy toll, and hail compounded the damage by its widespread occurrence. The impact on infrastructure was notable, leaving over 100,000 people without electricity. As autumn approaches, weather forecasts suggest higher temperatures and above-average rainfall. Experts are hopeful that this increased rainfall will aid in alleviating the persistent drought conditions that have plagued much of Spain. The severe weather and flash floods forced the closure of vital transportation lifelines such as the Madrid Metro and high-speed rail lines. This natural disaster not only disrupted the lives of many, but also highlighted the importance of robust disaster preparedness and climate adaptation strategies. If you found this video captivating and informative, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more compelling content. Help us spread awareness by sharing this video with your friends and family.